Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Geo SIM is active and has data. Without signal, APN changes won't help. Once ready, open Settings, go to Network and Internet, select Mobile Network, then Advanced and Access Point Names. Tap the plus sign or New APN to create a profile. Entering the APN fields immediately moves you into the core setup, so don't linger. Fill the name field first to label this profile so you can recognize it later if you switch settings. Now populate the essential fields. Set name to Geo or your custom label and APN to Geonet because that directs the phone to Geo's gateway. Leave username and password blank unless your carrier specifies otherwise. Make sure MCC and MNC match your SIM, often auto-filled. For APN type, use default, Supple, MMS, or Internet, and choose APN protocol IP4/IP6 for modern compatibility. Once these values are entered precisely, save the profile so it becomes selectable for your mobile data connection. Finish by saving the new APN and selecting it as the active profile, then toggle airplane mode or restart the phone to force the network to use the updated settings. If data does not start, recheck spellings like Geonet and ensure APN type and protocol are correct. Then reset network settings if needed and confirm your plan is active. If problems persist, remove and reinsert the SIM or contact Geo support. This often resolves provisioning or account-side issues that APN edits cannot fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.